Thank heavens for plaques that tell you where you are. We are at the University of Mumbai, built in the classical European university style. It does very much resemble Oxford or Cambridge in terms of its architecture, as you can see, with the church and the clock towers and everything else. Our guide talks about how the students will be picking up their certificates shortly around here, since I guess graduation is, if not here, fast approaching. Say what you will about the British colonial system, but it does add the opportunities towards education and, in some respects, unification in the first place. India does have literally thousands of languages and dialects, and much of it was united under the English language during the time of the British Raj, which allows it to communicate with and compete with much of the rest of the Anglosphere. Admittedly, I'm not trying to be an apologist for British colonialism, but every dark cloud has its silver lining after all. And there's something to be said for education. As with all of our stops today, we can't stay long, we can't even go in, but at least we can get a picture of everything. And right across the street from the University of Mumbai, and I mistook this for a church, but it turns out it happens to be the High Court of Mumbai in Maharashtra state. Oh, I hope I got that right, but I wouldn't bet on it. There's literally no way for the bus to stop so we can take a picture of that area, but at least we can take a picture from here, or at least I'm going to film from here as I'm making my way back to the bus. Thus far, I've mentioned how Mumbai is to India what, say, New York City is to the United States. The center of finance, culture, that sort of thing. I'm surprised that it's not as crowded, or at least maybe we're here at an odd time, being on a Saturday in the morning. Things haven't picked up just yet, and being a weekend, things may not pick up all the way. Then again, I could also argue that I don't actually have a basis of comparison. Ironically, for all the places that I've been visiting here, I have never set foot in New York and have no desire to do so. So maybe I shouldn't try to compare it, because I technically can't.